Governor Mike Parson says budget cuts could be coming to the state's Medicaid program if lawmakers don't find a compromise to renew an important tax. Our Missouri Capitol reporter Emily Manley tells us that tax brings in billions of dollars for Medicaid.
The General Assembly did not approve legislation before session ended last month to fund the state's Medicaid program. Now Governor Mike Parson says the clock is ticking to find a solution before he withholds money from the state budget.
You know, it's over $1 billion hole in the budget.
The Federal Reimbursement Allowance Program is a tax collected from medical providers like hospitals to support Medicaid.
We know we're having a very difficult time trying to hire staff on that medical front, whether it's the mental health, whether it's foster care, whether it's daycare, all of the things that are affected by the FRA.
And since lawmakers didn't get it done before they adjourned, Governor Mike Parson says he's prepared to make budget cuts.
If there's not some sort of agreement so we have a solution, you know, and it doesn't happen before July the 1st, there's not going to be any choices. We're going to have to start withholding on July the 1st.
The FRA brings in more than $1 billion for Medicaid and then allows the state to bring in double that from the federal government.
This is a huge deal, what we're talking about with FRA, if we don't get it across the finish line. And I mean, the clock's ticking on this.
But the problem in finding a compromise is whether or not to allow Medicaid to cover contraceptives. Senate Minority Floor Leader John Rizzo said in a statement, this hasn't happened because a group of Republicans in the Missouri Senate are determined to prevent women from accessing birth control.
Hopefully level heads prevail here and we find a resolution to this problem and that we get off our FRA done. But it has a dramatic effect on state government.
Renewing the FRA is one of more than 13 requests Parson's office has received for a special session.
A lot of people want things, but until there's some sort of agreement on some of the hot button issues, you know, we just can't move forward on that.
Right now, the $35 billion budget is sitting on the governor's desk. He says he doesn't think he can sign it without the FRA being renewed because the state only has enough money to pay the bills for the next 6 months. Reporting from Missouri Capitol Bureau, I'm Emily Manley.